Hi everyone. Today's channel message is that your life is going to take an unexpected turn. And this may not be for everyone. This may be for only a few people who are tuning in over here. But take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Hi, this is Akanksshaa. Welcome to Multidimensional Soul. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. So I got this download that your life is going to take an unexpected turn. And when we hear about something unexpected happening in our life, we immediately get scared because our mind and especially our brain, who is kind of called survival brain, who is conditioned to think in fight or flight or freeze kind of manner, immediately thinks there is change means there is some risk, there is some inherent threat. But not all changes are bad. And that is the message. In fact, the message is that the download that I got was that as you're creating something new, as you are stepping out of your comfort zone, you are creating abundance and prosperity, not just for yourself, but for your entire family, your lineage, and everyone around you. And that is going to bring a lot of new changes in your life. And especially something unexpected is meant to happen. So you may see some synchronicities and angel numbers. And I got this download that your spirit guides, angels, your entire divine team, the spirit team, the higher self is with you as you're taking these steps, and they will guide you through signs and synchronicities. So I heard that they are holding your hand literally as you're going through this, and they have your back. So even if it feels something very unfamiliar and you are in uncharted territory, so to say, they have your back. So don't get scared about. And unexpected means which you don't expect, which may be a surprise for you. You are taking that leap of faith. As you're taking that leap of faith and stepping out of your comfort zone, you are creating literally new pathways, breaking old patterns, old molds, and old ways of thinking, old ways of doing things. And you may have new opportunities, you may have new collaborations coming in, you may have new friends coming in your life, someone from your soul tribe, and it may be one person, it may be group of people, and you may have new love entering your life, a true love that you've been longing for, a love that feels safe, where you feel loved, supported, and appreciated, cared for, and feel that expansion in your consciousness. And it supports your growth. So, that kind of love. And you won't feel like running away from it, because you will know somewhere from within that it is coming from your soul, not from your ego or not from your personality. And some of you may feel the urge to take action and run fast towards your ideas, towards your goal, towards your person. And it's fine. Follow your pace and whatever you are called for. So you may gush like wind, or you may flow smoothly like water. Follow your own rhythm and pace. If you're called to do something urgently, then do it as your guides are guiding you, or as your higher self is guiding. But if you're called to do things at a slow pace or not rushing kind of, then follow that guidance. So whatever you are guided to do, follow that rhythm and pace is what I heard. And follow your bliss, follow your heart. Don't be scared. Trust the unfolding of life. So certain things may feel risky, but listen to your heart. Connect with your body and tune in. It's very important. We have almost forgotten how to listen to our body. Our body will tell us whether this is right or wrong, or whether this is good or bad for us. And then you can follow the guidance that you are receiving, either from your body or when you connect with your higher self, your guides and angels, they will tell you whether this is good or bad, or of course, they will not take the decision for you. They will never interfere your free will. They will just guide you. And then it's up to you whether to follow that guidance or not. So connect with your body, tune in, and see whether it is feeling constricting or expanding. So when you're making a choice or decision, it is important to use that discernment. And for many of us at this time, discernment is one of the life lessons. Means we are born here to learn how to discern, because this world is not black and white and good and bad only, right? There are different perspectives. As we all know that truth is multidimensional. It's not linear. So your truth, what is your truth? What is your soul's calling? That is something that you need to follow and use discernment. What is your ego telling you versus what is your higher self telling you? So the ego will always feel constricting, because it will come from the place of fear. It may be fear of rejection, fear of abandonment, fear of failure. All the fears essentially come from ego. Whereas when you come from the place of love, then that is from your higher self. And that is how we need to listen to our body, listen to our higher self, and use our discernment. And it's something that we need to develop, practice. I also heard that you have learned how to use discernment in a better way, so keep practicing that. So when you are faced with an unexpected turn in your life, then it is important that you tune in rather than getting drowned in the noise outside. Especially people like you who are working towards creating the new earth, the higher consciousness. People like you are surrounded, strategically placed across the world, and surrounded by people who will confuse you, who will try to pull you down, who will project their shadows on you, who will try to manipulate you. And this is where you need to use your discernment. And when the unexpected turn comes, obviously it will bring a lot of abundance and lot of new opportunities, new collaborations. At the same time, tune in and check whether these are some things or people that feel good for you. And if you're not 100% sure, then take time to decide. You don't need to rush into anything. Yeah. But the overall message is very positive. Even if the unexpected turn is going to come in your life, it is going to be bringing a lot of joy, love, and abundance. So that's the message. And that's all from me right now. It was a short message. I will record a video or audio depending on whatever I'm guided for the next time. So I'll see you next time. Until that time, take care of yourself, love yourself, lots of love.